Hi, my name is Erwin. Welcome to the CartsPlus showroom here in Kelowna, BC. We're here to introduce you to the EZGO Express 4 unit. This is a gas-powered unit, and these are great for community, resorts, campgrounds, anywhere that you would normally use a golf car. Let me show you some of the features. Full lighting system. You have lighted cup holders, fuel gauge. You have a horn, signal lights, and hazard lights. Everything you need to be on the road. LED lighting, brush guard, marker lights. Everything you need to be well lit at night so that people can see you. These units feature a more powerful drivetrain. Kawasaki 401 engine, 13.5 horsepower. Makes it more powerful than a golf car. You can load up with 4 people, get up the hill, no problem. Big fuel tanks so you can run all day. Two-tone seating makes it stylish. Flip down rear seat so you can carry cargo or people. Storage compartment, which can also double as a cooler. Makes these units great for travel. Here's the best part. These units are priced a couple of $1,000s less than a new golf car. And they're more heavy duty, so if you're considering something for your cottage or your resort, come in and see one of these great units at our showroom today. We stock them.